guys, today is a quick tutorial on how to install Chrome on Windows. First thing you want to do is you want to open up Microsoft Edge, which is the giant blue E icon on your desktop. Next thing you want to do is on the top search bar, you want to type in Google Chrome download. Next thing you want to do is you want to hit the link that directs you to google.com. After that, you want to hit the blue download Chrome button. I suggest you uncheck this box so you have more privacy. Next, you want to go into your downloads folder and double click on the Chrome setup. Now let the program load and do the work for you. Now that Google Chrome is successfully installed, enjoy the best browser. Thank you guys, please make sure to like, comment, favorite, and subscribe.